Hello friends, in this video I will make unboxing for this fan heater from Black and Laser. So let's begin. As you see, it came in this box, and it is 2400 watt horizontal fan heater with two heat setting and cooling fan, thermostat controller for easy of use, large room area coverage 15 milli or mile. Okay, so let's begin. So of course it came with manual about the product itself, how to use and everything, and then it came with the product itself. Okay, let's see. This is the controller. Okay, I will show you maximum and minimum, and here the level of fan, one level and second level. Okay, and this is the fan as you see, and of course it came with the cable or yard attachment with it. So yeah, see you in another video. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. Bye.